Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Well, that video is just wild to watch. And tonight, investigators are still trying to piece together exactly what happened here. But we know that the driver, he drove his car into a WashDOT truck, ramming it. He then got into a fight with workers and a trooper while he was armed with a hammer. And the whole thing was caught on camera. Wild video shows a man appear to chase a construction worker around a parked car pulled off on the shoulder of I-5.
Shortly after 4 p.m., Washington State Patrol responded to a report of a road rage incident.
You then see the man wearing dark clothing lunge for the worker who tries to jump over the barrier to escape.
There is a barrier here that divides I-5 traffic from where the WashDOT employees are. So the suspect drove around that barrier to gain access to start ramming their vehicles.
The driver then grabs the construction worker, yanking him back and forth before another worker rushes in to help. The driver then gets back into his vehicle and drives into the WashDOT truck.
The suspect vehicle was observed ramming a WashDOT vehicle that was parked on the shoulder of I-5. It was also ramming a lift with 2 WashDOT employees that was over the side of I-5 working in the slough.
Just moments later, the driver runs into oncoming traffic just as state troopers arrive.
During that altercation, the suspect was armed with a hammer. During that altercation, the Washington State Patrol trooper shot the suspect.
Right now, it's not clear if the man was trying to steal the WashDOT vehicle in the first place. This is still an ongoing investigation at this time. We also haven't been told the condition of the WashDOT worker right now. And again, stuff like this, incidents like this, has been an ongoing issue recently. According to the agency's report, they do say every year they've had about 600 injuries for workers on the job. Live along I-5 in Everett, Ohio Como News.